Hi, this is Audree Thurman from Balance Longer, here for another balance class. And this time we're going to be focusing on our ankles with some pointing and flexing of our feet in various positions. We know what a point is and a flex. It's very important to have strong ankles and strong feet. So let's just dive right in with a warm-up and let's try to have as much fun as we possibly can with this. Turn on my music. And we're going to start by just rolling up through our feet onto our toes. Now I have my chair here so I can hold on with my hand, 1 or 2 fingers. Let's roll up to our toes, back to our heels, and lift up those toes. Up to the toes. Lift them up. Now you can challenge yourself with 1 finger or lifting up your hands all together. Up. And toes up. Up to the toes and down. Toes up. Up to the toes and down. Couple more. Up on those toes. Test your balance. Down, toes up. Up to our toes. Test that balance. 2 more sets right here. Up. Test. And down. 1 more time. Up. And test. And down. Let's just kind of roll back in those feet. Just lift those toes. Let's raise that right one and do some ankle circles. Now I've got my chair here. I can try to test myself with 1 finger or let go. If you fall out, just get right back in. Reverse that circle. Let's do it with our hands too. Reverse again. Could be 1 hand. And reverse. Other leg. Fine to be holding on. And if you fall out, just get right back in. And reverse. 1 more time, reverse. Good job. Let's do some toe taps, starting with that right, down and up. It's a point and a flex. That's our theme. Point and flex. Point. Really tight abs. Down and up. Down and up. Now side to side. Down and up. Down and up to the side. And it's 8. And 7. And 6. And 5. And it's 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Other foot. Just tapping down and up. Really tight abs. Everything short. And a little pelvic crunch in there. And down and up. Side to side, side and up. Forward and up. Side and up. And it's side. Four more right here, and it's 4. Tight. And 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Let's start a little march, right and left. And it's 1, 2, 3, and lift that leg, holding on, little pointing and flexing. Test your balance. 1, 2, 3, and lift, point, and flex. Test your balance. And it's 1, 2, 3, and lift, point, and flex. Test your balance. Keep going, and it's 1, 2, 3, and lift, point, and flex, and test your balance. And it's 1, 2, 3, and lift, point, and flex, and test your balance. Couple more. 1, 2, 3, lift, point, and flex, and test your balance. One more time each side. 1, 2, 3, lift, point, and flex, and test your balance. Arms out. And it's 1, 2, 3, lift, point, and flex. Test. Arms up. Let's warm up that core with some standing crunches, and we know what that is. Everything gets short. Pelvic crunch, and we relax. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Exhale, crunch. Relax. 4 more. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Exhale, crunch, and relax. Last one. We're going to do good mornings. You're just going to cut yourself in half right here. See that flat back? And come up and crunch on top. Here we go. Down for 2 and up and crunch. Down for 2 and up. Make sure everything's tight. Back is flat. And up and crunch. 4 more right now, and it's down for 2 and up and crunch, and down for 2. 2 more. Down for 2, up and crunch, and last one. And just shake that out. We're going to do some side stretches, right and left. Here we go. Up to the right. Look at your hand. Other side. Look at your hand. And it's 4. And it's 3. You should be pretty warmed up. And it's 2. And 1. We're going to start some repeater knees. Now for this, you can definitely hold on. You can keep your toe down. This is what a repeater knee looks like. You can challenge yourself to not hold on as much, or to keep your leg up a little bit. We're going to do one, and we're going to do a point and a flex in between. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Repeater knee, flex and point. Repeater knee, flex and point. Repeater knee, flex and point, and test your balance. Flex and point, up. Flex and point, up. Flex and point, up. Flex and point. You can keep your toe down. Up. Flex, point. Flex, point. Flex, point. I think I got that backwards. Point, flex. Point, flex. Couple more. Flex, point. Flex, and point. Let's try the other side. Same idea. Holding on or keeping your toe down. Up and back. Flex, point. 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 Up and back. Couple more. Up and back. Flex, point. Good job. Let's take some big deep breaths. Up. And exhale down. And up. And exhale down. Good job. We should be all warmed up. We're going to start with the tree pose. Now with the tree pose, we can hold on with one hand, one finger, test ourselves. We can keep our toe down. We can put our foot right there in the middle of our calf, or we can lift it up high. Let's just go ahead and grow our tree. One hand is good. Test yourself to see how you can grow with two. It's fine to do one. If you fall out, just get back in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Toe down on your calf or lifting it up. Growing it with one hand. Test your balance for 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go back to the right. We're going to put it right here in our calf, and we're going to do some pointing and flexing. So arm out. We're going to do flex and point. Test your balance and point. Find to hold on. And it's flex, 2. Flex and down, and it's 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Keep it flexed. Test your balance for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. You're going to put it right here in the middle of your calf. Find to hold on. You're going to do point and flex, point and flex. No, that's flex and point, flex. You know what I mean. And it's flex and point. Test your balance. And flex and point. Victory V. One hand is fine. And just test your balance for flex and point. 3, 2, and 1. And arms down. We're going to do a flamingo hold, which is just basically your knee out in front. You could hold it with one hand or not. And we're going to do some flexing and pointing here. You can hold on and test your balance with one hand. Point and flex. Flex and point. Flex, point, victory V, or one hand. Arms up. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Other side, flamingo hold. You could hold it. Holding on to the chair for balance. Do some pointing and flexing. Arms back, or one arm back. And point and flex. Flex and point. Flex and point. Flex and flex and flex and flex. One hand. Always test to see how you're doing. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Okay, we're going to transfer our weight from side to side with a point and a flex, and a point and a flex. Point, flex. Just transferring our weight for right and left, and right and left. And you can challenge yourself to pick up your foot. Point, flex, point, and down. Point, flex. It's your challenge. You can keep your whole foot on the ground like that. Point. But you want to challenge yourself to pick it up a little bit. See how it goes. And point, flex, point, and down. Point, flex, and point, flex, 4 more. Arms up. Point, flex, point, and down, and point, flex. 1 more time each side. Point, flex, point, and down, point, flex, point, and down. Let's do some front kicks. Same idea. To the front. Point, flex, point, and down. Now to the back. Point, flex, point, and down. To the front. Flex, point, and down. You can have one hand on, one finger. Back to the front. Flex, point, and down. Back. Flex, point, and down. Front. Flex, point, and down. Back. Flex, point. Couple more on the right. And back. Flex, down. And just shake that out. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Again, we can hold on, challenge ourselves. You'll see over time your balance will improve. It's very exciting and very sort of liberating and encouraging to see that happen. So to the front, point, flex, point, and down to the back. Point, flex, point, and down to the front. Flex, point, and down to the back. Flex, point, and down to the front. Flex. Let's have our arms up. One arm is good. And to the front. Flex, point, and down, and to the back. One more time each side. And back. And just shake that out. Let's start a side to side little step. Step, touch, step, touch. We're going to change it to a rhythm step. Rhythm step is this. And it's left and right. And you're pointing your foot in front. Kind of out to the side. Over to the other, right in front of the other toe. Rhythm, rhythm, rhythm. And it's 4. We're going to add some pointing and flexing to this set. So it's rhythm, flex, point, and down. Rhythm, flex, point, and down. Rhythm, flex, point, and down. Rhythm. And it's point, flex, point, and down. Point, flex, point, and down. Point, flex, point, and down. Couple more. Right out in front of the other toe. And point, flex. And 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Just change it to a regular rhythm. Point and point. And 8, 7, 6, 5, and it's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Got a lot of ankle movement in there, I think. Let's do a figure 4. Right leg first. It goes right above the knee. Again, fine to hold on. And let's do some pointing and flexing. Point and flex and point and flex. And let's circle our ankle one direction and the other direction. We're going to do some little squats. And you want to test your balance. Down and up. Fine to hold on. Little squats. You're going to be sitting like you're sitting down on a chair. And then little pelvic crunch. Down and up and down. Test your balance. Down and up and down and up. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And shake it out. Other side. And point and flex right over the knee. Point and flex. Test your balance. And point and flex. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and just ankle roll in one direction and the other direction. We're going to start those little squats, and it's down and up. Everything tight, like you're sitting on a chair. And test your balance. Down and up and down and up and down and up. Hands on your hips. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Good job. Little ab section. Let's do some cat-cows. We know what that is. We round like a cat, everything tight. And cow. Exhale, cat. And cow. Exhale, cat. And cow. 4 more. Exhale, cat. And cow. Exhale, cat. Couple more. Let's change to obliques. And it's up and down and up. You got your chair there. Up and down and up and down and up and down. You want to twist and twist and twist and twist. And it's 4 and 3 and 2. Oh, let's do another set of 4. Here we go. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. And shake it out. We're going to do a little tightrope. Heel to toe, heel to toe. And we're going to be very deliberate about putting that foot down. So it's flex and down, and flex and down, and flex. Let's move it backwards. Now it's toe and down, toe and down, toe and down. Let's go forward one more time. And it's heel and down, and heel and down, and heel and down. Now back, and it's toe and down, toe and down, toe and down. Good job. Now our last thing we're going to do is we're going to write some letters with our toes and our heels. Again, we can hold on. We're going to write right off 45-degree angle. We're going to write with our right toe here the word point. Here we go. And you can test your balance. And it's P and O and I and N and T. Other side. And it's F and L. Chairs right here. E and X. And we're going to do the same thing, but to the back. This time flex with the right foot. And it's F, L. It's harder on the back. E and X. And other side. P, O, I, N, and T. Good job. Just shake it out. Let's move those hips in a circle. Other way. Side to side hips. Have fun. Little robot arms. Show me some muscle. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and do your favorite pose. Victory V. Do another pose. Just whatever your favorite pose is. We'll start a cool down. Hopefully that was fun. I feel like you got some good balance in there. Little hamstring stretch. Heel out, little flex. And it's point and flex, everything tight. Four more, and it's 4 and up and 3 and up and 2 and 1. Other side, and it's down and up, down and up, and it's 4 and 3 and it's 2 and 1. Side stretch all the way over to the left. Right arm up. Other side. Other side again. Right leg back for a calf stretch. And knee in and out. And in and out. And 4, test your balance. And 3 and 2 and 1, and just hold it. Other side. Here we go. Just good calf stretch. And knee in and out and in and out. And it's 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Let's end the way we started, going up on our toes and coming down and lifting those toes. Testing your balance. Up and test. Maybe you feel a little better than when we started. Lifting those toes. Up and test. And down and lift. And it's 4. And down. And it's 3. Test. And it's 2. And test. And last one. Test. And down. A couple deep breaths. And up. And down. And up. And down. Good job. Hopefully that was fun and you'll come back and join me for some other classes. Feel free to reach out, like the video. Any feedback, of course, I'm open and happy to hear and interact with you. Again, this is something that you want to add to your normal cardio, flexibility, and weights. It's an extra dessert of balance. I really believe that exercise, including balance, is a fundamental aspect of a healthy longevity. As I said, I'm going to be turning 70 this year and really feel that fitness is one reason why I can wake up in the morning with lots of energy and feel the best that I can. Clearly my body's changing, but I'm really happy with the results of doing these kinds of workouts. So thank you for joining me, and hopefully I will see you in the next class. And this is Audrey signing off, and bye for now.